Alright, it's Alex back here with MECATX and a few of our students. Today we're going to be putting together this how-to solder kits from or4Wiz, RGB light display. There's a few different parts on this one. We have our PCB board, your red switch, green switch, blue switch, LED 1, and then you have 3 resistors along with a battery slot. We're going to start here. The smallest piece, I believe these are 330 ohm resistors, and we have 3 of them. One for each light. And then we have our 3 switches, again, 1 for each light. I'm gonna place the last one there. And then our battery terminal. This is what we're working with today. I'm going to start with my resistors. Slide them into each little slot. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to take it, set it upside down on the table, grab my solder, and add a little bit onto the point. Let it suction, and it's good. That one's good. And then I'm going to clip the wires. Up next, our switches. We have 3 switches. 1 for blue. 1 for green. 1 for red. Alright, and we're going to take and solder each of these points.
I'm going to put a proposal in to where we can get a chance to talk to the International Space Station with the students.
onto the last switch. Up next, our battery terminal, and place it right in there. And then we're going to solder the 2 points. One. And 2. And lastly, we have our RGB LED. So here we have our LED in there, and we're just gonna solder down each of those points. We have 4 of them. No. We'll take our battery out. And there is the completed product.